Hey guys, it's me, Ate Alex. We're going to make pizza, right? So, ito siya yan guys, yung ating dough. In the morning, ginawa ko na to. So, I leave it from the heat na hindi siya nasisingawan. Okay, we're going to prepare our ingredients. This is it. Mozzarella, pizza sauce, yan. Bell pepper, of course, our mushroom, hot dog, black olive. Wala tayong green olive. Ayan. So, ngayon guys, we're going to put na, see, lagyan natin yung ating cheese para masarap. Kasing sarap. Kasing yummy. Yan. Shout out the division. Thank you so much for always calling me yummy. Sana all. And what's this? Okay. Magkakat po tayo ng ating mushroom. Right. Yan. Mushroom. Oh my goodness. Yan. Si ating mushroom. Mas maganda kasi kung hindi siya masyadong maraming abubot. Yung simple lang. This is what we call pizza with mushroom. Yan. O, diba? So, ayan guys. Lalagyan natin siya ng black olives. Ikakat din natin yan. See? Cut into pieces. Ayan. So far, ayan siya. Okay. Wala tayong spring onion. Dapat may spring onion ito. Dito kasi ayaw nila ng maraming bubot-bubot. Ayan. So, we're going to put the mushroom dito sa tray. Ayan. Dito sa tray. Ayan siya guys. Sorry. Napaka-messy kasi gawa ng pang rust. Ayan. So, we're going to put our ingredients like that way. Mushroom. And then our black olive. Ayan. Right? Black olive. And see. Ayan siya. Okay. Madali lang. Hindi mo naman kailangan bumili. Of course, mas masarap pa nga yung homemade. Actually guys, when I was in the Philippines, I have a stall like this. May business ako dito ngayon. Noon. Nung buhay pa yung mama ko. So, mayroon kaming maliit na negosyo. Ganyan. Kaya lang, nung nakapag-abroad na ako guys, yun. Iniwan kay X. Niloko si X. Ayan. Nagumay. And gagawin natin ngayon is like that way. See? So far, so good, masarap. Shout out the division. Thank you for always calling me yummy. Itong ating bell pepper. Kailangan siya ating bigyan ng konting curve. Katulad ng ating mga katawan. Mga single ladies. Yan. Yan, pahaba siya. Parang mayroon siyang parang design. Ayan guys. Shout out sa lahat ng mga nandito. Kung sino manunood, thank you so much for supporting my channel. Ayan siya. Team Chongke, Sis Ann Banson, ayan. Get well soon. Salamat sa always suporta mo sa akin. Kahit hindi man tayo lagi nag-uusap. I know that you're always there for me. And this is our promise, brother. So, dadagdagan natin siya ng mozzarella. Okay. Mozzarella. See. Diba? Pag maraming cheese kasi, masarap. Kahit simple. Simpleng buhay, mas masarap. Shout out sa mga mapagsamantala. Salamat sa inyo lahat. And shout out sa aking mga basher. Thank you for basing on me. Shout out sa mag-asawa. Your lovers. Paubaya. Binaliwala. Shout out sa malaking issue. Sabangan nyo guys. Yung show ni Alex Jano TV. Ang pagbabalik sa ngayon, ang init po nito is at least 180 or 150 degrees. Ayan. So, I'm going to put now guys into the oven. Thank you so much for watching. I love you. Bye-bye. Alex Jana. Mua. Chup chup. Mua. Chup chup. Mua. Chup chup. Alright. Here we go. Bye. I love you.